So hi guys, this is your boy Alano B, the billionaire, the biggest brand in Africa as always. So this is my second piece of land, and we are doing the final stages of preparation. Let me tell you, my desires is to own large pieces of land so that I can do farming. By the way, that's one of my biggest goals. But there is other goals that I have, like I like transit goods, those big trucks. I like them. I've been dreaming of owning one or two or three or four or five, and I'm always developing ways of how I can get one. Maybe I can try loans or what, but no, that's not the best method. But those some of my biggest goals that I have always desired. Owning some biggest techie platforms. I don't know, just my mind. That's why recently I posted on my status and I said my mind was born in Silicon Valley but raised in Chwele. So big goals, big dreams, big ambitions, but we take time to develop. So this is the second piece of land that I just prepared today. In fact, I'm saying after when it rains, immediately it rains, I'm going to put here maize very, very soon. When it rains, I'm going to put here maize, and I'm not going to delay. So I'm just working on my preparations. You know, somebody like me, what kills us is cash flow. You know, the little money you get, you have to know where you're projecting it so that you don't just squander it on your other stupid projects. So I can get 2,000, 3,000 immediately. I have those small money. I invest in something that is valuable. So, and I can also describe for you how to develop small goals into bigger goals, like the way I normally do. You know, the projects I do, they cannot give me cannot give me thousands, like 100,000 plus shillings, no. But so what I do, I normally project the small money into farming. So the farming is where I get the money. So I project money into farming, then I invest heavily in farming. Once I do that, then farming will get me like 100k, 200k. Then I do what? I make good deals. So I have been your boy Alano B, the billionaire, the big brand as always. Peace.